Hello viewers, in this section I would like to explain selection of ornamental fishes. Ornamental fish keeping and its propagation has been an interesting activity for many, which provide not only aesthetic pleasure but also financial opening. Learning objectives: introduction, types of aquariums, characters of aquarium fishes, avoid fishes. Introduction: ornamental fishes are kept in aquarium. The long life of the aquarium depends on the selection of different type of fishes. Selected species should be attractive and brilliant colored, should be compatible to each other, means mutual cooperation each other. Approximately 4,000 freshwater and marine species are held as pets. Types of aquariums: marine aquarium, freshwater aquarium. Marine aquarium. Marine fishes need synthetic seawater. Synthetic seawater means artificial seawater. It is very expensive. Beginners should not select. Only 10% marine aquariums in the world. Freshwater aquarium. There are three types: single pet aquarium, aggressive aquarium, community aquarium. Single pet aquarium. It consists of a single species. The following species are selected. Example: goldfish, fighter, pacu, large catfish. Here we observe the different type of single pet aquarium fishes: goldfish, fighter, pacu, large catfish. Aggressive aquarium. It composed of aggressive fishes. The same size fishes are suitable fishes for aggressive aquarium. Example: Oscars, red devil cichlids, devil cichlids, carnivorous catfish, green terrors, convicts. Here we observe the aggressive aquarium species: Oscars, red devil cichlids, devil cichlids, carnivorous catfish. Community aquarium. It is common type. It can accommodate a variety of fishes: mollies, guppies, swordtails, gouramis, silver dollars, tetras, danios, loaches, coil goldfishes. Here we observe the different type of fishes: mollies, guppies, swordtails, gouramis, silver dollar fishes, tetras. Characters of aquarium fishes. Non-aggressive nature is the important character. Non-predatory character. Cooperative for each other fishes. Calm and peaceful fishes. Healthy and sturdy fishes is the most important. Small size fishes kept in small aquariums. Big size fishes kept in large aquariums. Eating activity. Non-eating fish may be sick. Select captive breed fish. Avoid wild fishes mainly. If aquarium has hot water, select fishes preferring hot water fishes. Avoid diseased fishes. Avoid fishes: torn fins, white spots, missing scales, bulging eyes, necrotic ulcers, rapid breathing, erratic swimming, gasping at the surface, suckling in a corner. White spot fishes. The disease is caused by ciliated protozoans. All the fishes in a tank could be easily killed in a short period. Torn fish. Missing scales fishes also not attractive. Bulging eye fishes. The eye of the fish is swollen and protrudes abnormally. from its suckle due to varies. Necrotic ulcer fish. Necrotic ulcer fish also mainly we observe the red spots in skin. Rapid breathing fish. In case of ammonia nitrate, pH nitrates increasing quantity in water, that time we observe the rapid breathing in fishes. Erratic swimming fishes suffering from severe health problems, that time we observe the erratic swimming nature. Fish gasping at the surface of water, fish suckling at a corner, only corner sides we observe the fishes. Thank you.